there is an examination. Okay, in a competitive examination, 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer. See here, 1.3. See, for correct answer, how many marks? 5 marks are given. Okay, 2 marks are deducted for each incorrect answer. Incorrect answer means incorrect answer. How many marks are deducted? 2 marks. 2 marks are deducted. And no marks are given for a question which is not attempted. Means not attempted. For this, no marks means how many marks? Means how many marks? 0 marks. How many marks are attempted? 0 marks. Hey अरबाज, एक मिनट इधर आना. अरबाज, ये देख ना, अभी ये जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, तो ये ठीक है ना? इतना क्या क्लैरिटी और नहीं आ सकती क्या?
अरे वीडियो चलो जाए.
ठीक है. Okay. Now see the children. So what is given? For correct answer, 5 marks are given. For incorrect answer, means you can say wrong answer, 2 marks. For not attempted, means not solved, means 0 marks. No marks means 0. Now here, question number A. What is A? A is what? Nishi appeared in the examination and attempted 12 questions correctly. See here, there is a student having name Nishi. Okay, like Mayank, like Nishi. Arush, like that, one name is there, Nishi. Then what she has done? Nishi appeared in examination and attempted 12 questions correctly. Miss here, miss correct answer. For correct answer, how many questions she attempted? 12 questions. See, 12 question, and for one question how many marks? 12 marks. So 12 into 5. Okay, then what she has done, Nishi? 5 questions incorrectly. See here, incorrect answer, 5 question means 5 for incorrect. How many marks? 2 marks will be deducted. Okay, now from this we can, what is the question? However, she did not attempt 3 questions. Here 3 questions she did not attempt, means for not solving she will get 0 marks. For 3 questions means 3 into 0, you can say. Now what is the question? What will be her score? Her means Nishi. Then Nishi's score is equal to, Nishi's score is equal to, what is Nishi's score? See here, for 12 questions she has solved, for one question she will get 5 marks. Then for incorrect, this much is deducted. Deducted means what? Subtracted. And plus 3 questions she did not solve, means she did not attempt, means 3 multiplied by 0. So if you solve this, you will get 60 minus 10 plus 0. So this is how much you will get? 50 marks. Means Nishi got, what is Nishi's score? 60 marks. Understood? Second question is same. What is Rohan attempted? Rohan attempted 7 questions. 7 questions correctly. So we will write directly. See, Rohan's score is equal to 7 multiplied by how much? For correct answer, 5 marks. Minus means deducted. 9 questions incorrectly. See, 9 multiplied by 2. 9 questions incorrectly. He did not attempt 4 question, means plus 4 multiplied by 0. For not attempting, how much marks we give? 0 marks. Here, for non-attempt, how much marks we give? We give 0 marks. Just solve this. This is 35, this is 18, this is 0. So what is final answer? 17. 17 what? Marks. Understood? Now let us solve question number 2. The temperature of piece of metal. Suppose this is one metal box. This is what? One metal box. Metal box is having temperature minus 13 degree Celsius is the temperature of metal box. Okay. Now on heating, temperature of metal rises to 63. See here, this is initial temperature, that is T1 is minus 31 degree Celsius, and T2 final temperature, that is 63 degree. Final temperature means after heating this. इस देखो सबसे पहला टेम्परेचर इसका कितना है अभी? -13 डिग्री है. इसको हीट करने के बाद में इसका टेम्परेचर क्या हो जाएगा? बढ़ जाएगा. कितना बढ़ेगा? -63 डिग्री. ओके. Now what is first question? What is the change in temperature? What is first question? Change in temperature. Change in temperature. What is the meaning of change? Change means highest temperature minus lowest temperature. Highest temperature 60 degree Celsius and lowest temperature minus 13 degree Celsius. So this will be 63 plus 13. This is 6. This is 76 degree Celsius. First answer. Second, what temperature of the metal would be exactly between initial and final temperature? What temperature of metal would be exactly between? Exactly means here temperature between these two means you can say that here final temperature plus initial temperature divided by 2. So this is 63 minus 13 divided by 2, that is 50 divided by 2, that is 25 degree Celsius. This is the temperature between initial and final. Initial मतलब क्या? This is initial temperature. Final temperature means last temperature. And now question number C. What is that C? Last question from this. Calculate temperature of metal if it rises by 63 degree Celsius. Rises means to increase. Calculate temperature of metal. See here, this is the initial temperature. How much? Minus 13 degree. If temperature rises by 63 means you have to add this. So what you will get? This is 50 degree Celsius. This is the temperature after rising this. Calculate the temperature of metal if it rises by 63 degree Celsius. Okay, so This is 1.3. Thank you.